Most brands are paying creators anywhere between a few $100s to a few $1,000s per video ad. But right now, I am creating the same quality ad for just a few dollars. In this video, I'm gonna show you the exact process I use to make video ads without paying creators. Now, first, let me give you a quick lay of the land inside Creatify. This is where we're gonna create our ads. Inside, you have over 1,500 different avatars to choose from. These are not stiff or robotic or feel like AI. They actually feel real because of the Aurora model. The Aurora model inside of Creatify is the best model for real facial expression, natural head movements, realistic lip sync, all of that. Plus, you need a wide variety of avatars to choose from so they can relate to your target audience. Whether you filter by age, ethnicity, presentation style, whatever matches your target audience. If you want a professional business avatar for LinkedIn ads, you have great options. Or if you want a more casual, authentic looking creator who's at the airport talking about a product they love for a TikTok ad, you could do that as well. You could also upload your own custom avatar. So if you want to use your founder's face or someone on your team, you could upload a shot of them and Creatify will create a digital twin. And then you could use that custom avatar as much as you want in any ads you create in the software. Next, we need to talk about the URL to video tool. This is a powerhouse of a tool that is going to save you a ton of time. All you need to do is paste in the URL of whatever you want, whether it's a landing page, a product page, a Shopify listing, an Amazon link, and then Creatify will grab all the key info, images, and even testimonials from that page. That way, all the information automatically uploads into the right spots so that Creatify could write the perfect scripts. And they do that with proven frameworks for scripts that have the right hook, the why behind the hook, and a call to action at the end. So you're not starting from scratch, remembering what you need to add in to have the AI write the best script and make sure you include all that product information. And at the same time, it's writing ad scripts for you with proven frameworks. All you're doing is moving the process forward in a few seconds. And let me talk a little bit more about the script writer and the proven frameworks. The AI script writer inside of Creatify is built specifically for ad creation. So when you enter in a URL or a prompt for it to generate a script, it's using proven frameworks, whether it's storytelling, promotional, or motivational, or more, whatever angle you want. Now, let's talk about the frameworks because these are proven to convert on social. And these are not frameworks that worked a few years ago. These are frameworks that work today. So with Creatify, you are already 100 steps ahead of any other AI tool and process to go from idea to ad. And this is all done with just a few clicks. Creatify knows exactly how to write scripts for short form content and ads specifically. Now, let me walk you through how I use this to create ads without hiring any creators. The first method that we talked about, that's where I would start with the URL to video tool. I take a landing page for the product that I want to advertise and I just drop it in. Creatify will grab the product description, key benefits, customer testimonials, and all the images. Then everything is populated into the right fields inside of Creatify. I could review it, I can make edits, and then I could go to the next step, which is going to allow me to choose the right aspect ratio, the right length in the video script, and the ideal target audience. That way, the AI scriptwriter will give me different variations of the script. Maybe one focus on a problem solution type of script, one focus on a specific transformation, and one focus on urgency. Then I could go in there and make further edits to the script, and then I could go and select my favorite avatar. As we discussed, there are so many to choose from. You could select 2 of your favorites, and then it'll take all of that and generate ads for you. Now you're gonna see 10 plus different variations of the ad that you can choose from. If you wanna make further edits to any of the videos, you could easily do that as well. But once you're ready, you could hit render on one or multiple videos, and just like that, they are ready to publish for advertising.
Your AirPods can now track your heart rate during workouts. No chest strap needed. The AirPods Pro 3 use invisible light pulsing 256 times per second to give you incredibly accurate data. From treadmill sessions to trail runs, you get real-time heart rate and calorie burn tracking right in your ears. Plus, you're getting the world's best noise cancellation with 4x more power than the original Pro. Ready to upgrade your fitness game? Get AirPods Pro 3 today and transform how you train.
Now, the total time to go from this idea to potentially even 20 videos is less than an hour. If you tried to hire creators and do 18 different videos, you'd be looking at paying at the low end $10,000 and at the high end $40,000+. The economics are not even comparable when you are paying a very affordable monthly rate with Creatify to be able to generate all of these ads. Now, here are some beginner mistakes that I do want to point out so you could avoid them as you are getting started. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong avatar for the wrong audience. Not all avatars are going to work for all audiences. A casual young avatar might be great for TikTok, but not LinkedIn. A polished professional avatar is going to work great for B2B, but may not work for D2C. Pay attention to platforms and audience. Then match your avatar style to where the ad is running and who's seeing it. Mistake number 2, not testing out multiple scripts. Maybe your avatar is just perfect for your audience, but you're not testing out the right hooks to get the right results. It's important to test different hooks for your audience. That way you could find the right hook for the right pain point at the right time. Let's talk about performance because this is what actually matters. Thankfully to Creatify, creating ads is easy, but creating videos that convert is hard. The reality is that AI avatar ads are now converting at very comparable rates to traditional content creators. Your hook needs to address a specific pain point or goal. Tired of wasting time? That's generic. But if you say something like, if you're spending 2 hours a day on admin work that could be automated, this is for you. Now that's going to feel way more specific. The more targeted your message, the better your performance. Now we've talked about the avatar a bit, but the avatar needs to look like someone your audience would trust. If you're selling to executives, a professional avatar is going to do way better than a casual one. The presentation style matters. And this is for the actual avatar and their background. And that's why the 1,500 plus options that Creatify offers give you such a wide variety that you could find the perfect avatar for your ideal audience. Next, call to actions need to be clear. Tell people exactly what the next step is. And if you have a promo, make sure to include that as well. Then when it comes to testing and iteration, this is where AI avatars just have a massive advantage over traditional creators. You could test 10 different hooks in the time it would take you to coordinate with one creator. And you could use that to your advantage. You could test aggressively, find what converts, and then scale that. So if you're running campaigns where AI avatar ads outperform content creators because you're able to test with 20 variations and find what's working faster, then double down on that, you're gonna have a winning strategy no matter what. That type of testing velocity is the real advantage. Plus the perk is the price is gonna be a fraction of what it is if you are hiring creators. If you want to get started yourself, Creatify has a free tier. You could create videos, test the workflow, and see the output. You could click the first link down below to get started today. The reality is paying creators hundreds or thousands of dollars to make videos made sense when that was the only option. Today with AI avatars, you have more options and more ways to output videos to test and really find the right messaging, the right hook, the right avatar, and the right call to action. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.